Mr. Death has come knocking on the doors of some famous Jamaicans in 2024. The likes of Peter Morgan of Morgan's Heritage has passed early in 2024. But do you know some famous Jamaicans who died in 2023? Here's a list of some famous Jamaicans who have died in 2023. Colton Kofi, former lead singer of the group Inner Circle. Colton Kofi died on February 2nd, 2023 in Palm Beach, Florida at age 68. His cause of death was not revealed. However, his daughter E. Ruth Spencer said he battled diabetes for several years. Colton Kofi was the sound and soul of Inner Circle's mega hits such as Bad Boys and Sweat. Arif Cooper. Arif Cooper's foundations and roots have been well laid in music through his late father Ibo Cooper, who was a founding member of reggae group Third World. Arif Cooper, up until his death, was a producer, disc jockey, and the CEO of Fresh Air Productions, AMC Music Limited. Arif Cooper died on March 5, 2023. He was 49. He reportedly collapsed while playing at a party at the Police Officers Club in St. Andrew. Junior English. Junior English, the well-known UK-based singer who had a string of hits between the 1970s and 80s, died in London on March 10. He was 71. His cause of death was not revealed. Junior English was born in Jamaica but migrated to England with his parents when he was 13. He started his UK music career in the 1970s and became a flag bearer for Lovers Rock. Jos Shaka. Dub and reggae legend Jos Shaka, also known as the Zulu Warrior, died on April 12, a few days after he announced his new tour dates for 2023. Jos Shaka, who was a dub sound system operator, operated a southeast London-based roots reggae sound system since the early 1970s, up until he died. Actor and comedian Winston Bell, popularly known for being one half of the talented comedic duo Bello and Blacka, died on April 15, 2023 after experiencing medical complications associated with neuropathy. Bell was also a pastor. He was 62 years old when he died. Harry Belafonte, the pioneer, the legendary and iconic actor and civil rights activist Harry Belafonte died on April 25 in the Upper West Side, New York, USA. He was 96. Born on March 1, 1927 in the US, Belafonte lived with one of his grandmothers in Jamaica from 1932 to 1940 and attended Wilmer's Boys School. He was the first Jamaican American to win an Emmy for Revlon Revue Tonight with Belafonte in 1959, and also made history when his breakthrough album Calypso became the first million-selling LP by a single artist. Lester Sterling. Jamaican saxophonist and founding member of the legendary band The Scatterlights, Lester Ska Sterling passed away on May 16 in the United States at age 86. The Scatterlights played initially between 1963 and 1965 and recorded many of their best-known songs in the period, including Guns of Navarone. They also played on records by Prince Buster and for other artists who recorded during that time, including Bob Marley and the Wailers. Lester Sterling was buried in Jamaica on July 18 in accordance with his last wish. Boom Dandmight. Dancehall artist Boom Dandmight died on May 22 at a hospital in Florida. A member of the defunct Scare Them crew, along with Elephant Man, Nitty Kochi, and Harry Toddler, Boom Dandmight arrived in the US to seek treatment after suffering complications from a car accident in Halfway Tree just months earlier. However, he died before treatment could have been administered. Claudette Kemp, a longtime manager of reggae artist Capleton, died on June 9 from kidney complications. She was also a former manager of Beres Hammond Kemp had a solid career in insurance before she turned to entertainment. She was a humanitarian and was always on the lookout for someone to assist. Lord Creator. Trinidad-born calypsonian, ska and rocksteady artist Lord Creator, who was best known for the song Kingston Town, died on June 30 at the age 87. The Trinidadian who made Jamaica his home was honored by the Jamaican government in 2022. On the 60th anniversary of the island's independence, Lord Creator was conferred with the Order of Distinction Officer Class for his contribution to the development of Jamaican music. Jender. The firebrand reggae artist Jender, who is also known as King Furnace, passed away at a hospital in Bronx, New York on August 7. Jender was born in Clarendon and started recording during the 1980s. He had lost his sight, but not his vision. Listed among his catalog are songs such as Mark of the Beast, Reparation, Sip Cup, Leonard Howell, Weed Free, and Rasta Love. Ibo Cooper. Michael Ibo Cooper, reggae legend, music educator, and co-founder of the Third World Band, died on October 12. He was 71 years old. 2 weeks earlier, Jo Cooper, Ibo's wife of more than 50 years, made her transition. Their first son, Arif Cooper, passed away in March. Goib Bop. On October 31, Goib Bop died at the age of 59 at the Kingston Public Hospital. Goib Bop, whose real name was Robert Lee Malcolm, was suffering from a kidney disease and resulting complications. Neville Garrick, born in 1950, he was a renowned graphic artist, photographer, and Bob Marley's art director. He died on November 14 in California. He was 73. For his contribution to the arts, Garrick was conferred with the Order of Distinction Commander Class by the Jamaican government. Benjamin Zephaniah passed away on December 7 at the age of 65. The dub poet, who was best known for his works about racism and refugees, had been diagnosed with a tumor 2 months before his death. He was the son of a postman from Barbados and a Jamaican nurse. Zephaniah was born in Birmingham in April 1958. In 2008, he was included in the Times list of Britain's top 50 post-war writers. Earl Walker. Veteran session musician and bass player Earl Bagger Walker died on December 17 at age 75. Walker made his name as a stalwart of the Studio One label, playing on several seminal hits. He started his career in the late 1960s as a guitarist, but eventually switched to bass. His best works is on iconic hits such as Horace Andy's Skylarkin, Freddie McGregor's Push Come to Shove, Sugar Minor's Vanity, and Still Cool's To Be Poor Is a Crime.
Reggae my like this. So button the people, make sure you like this.
You have a reggae my life.